A rock machinery backhoe excavator. This thing can be towed around your land with something as small as a quad bike, or you can tow it down the road as we just have done. Briggs and Stratton petrol engine on the back there. These legs come off and sit in here for transport. I'll show you in a bit how that works. It's done hardly any work at all. Not even took the paint off that bucket. And this other bucket doesn't look like it's even been fitted. Little petrol engine. One owner machine. It's in very little use.